What is up, everybody? This is Sam Does Stocks, and today we're doing kind of like a portfolio update on Coinbase. I believe I've wanted to, not wanted to. I believe I said I was gonna show you guys some of the crypto at some point. I know it's kind of been a little bit. My upload schedule's kind of been all over the place. Upload in short bursts, and then all of a sudden, disappear for a little bit. I'm gonna try to make it more consistent, but yes, let's get started with I guess basically my history with Coinbase. So I joined Coinbase because I heard big YouTuber talking about it, and I kind of wanted to get a crypto uh like kind of like a place where I can actually own the crypto because I used to kind of trade crypto on Robinhood, but didn't really own it. Robinhood securities owned it, so I was kind of wanting a more secured way to hold crypto, and so I put a little bit of money in here back in the day. We'll do a all time. And as you can see, that chart doesn't look too attractive, but some of that's from, when I initially joined, I pumped some money into there. And then, obviously, it was, see, August. I'm guessing that was, okay, yeah, it was mid 2021. So, yeah, it was at its peak when I had about 500 bucks in there. And then I kind of had to, like I did with Robinhood, I had to take some money out. So then I, slowly went down. Kind of had a bit of a rush there, I guess. I kind of forget what the timeline was there. Kind of peaked around 2021, and then it kind of just plummeted because I had to take a bunch out, and it kind of just stayed around the high 100s. And I don't think I'd ever took anything out, but man, crypto just kind of crashed. If any of you guys are invested in crypto, you guys have definitely been seeing a drop for a while now. Haven't really sold anything besides the initial right there, and I was at mostly profit slash break even, so I mean I wasn't too hurt by it. Just disappointed that I have to take my money in. Like I want to put it in, then I have to take it out. But that's life. Boohoo. So yeah, I'm not really gonna sell what I have here unless I really need to. But Ethereum, just all time was. This was like well over $100. I have this as most of my portfolio. I'm kind of getting, I'm staking it, kind of like a dividend, but not really. For 3.25% right now. When I initially did it, was like I think it was over 5%, but I could be mistaken. I knew it was higher though. But staking is definitely a good option. It's usually staking is more attractive, but now it's like kind of getting lower to the normal dividend paying amounts, unless you get some like a REIT or something, which is now higher than that. But that's fine. Um, I believe in Ethereum and Bitcoin. I don't really have too many risky cryptocurrencies. I've had Doge before, which I've made some decent money on in the past, but it's one of those ones you don't want to hold long term. I eventually want to get Bitcoin in here when I get some more money. I kind of wanted to get some more of the staking cryptos like Cardano, and you couldn't stake Cardano, and that was one of the ones I sold when I needed the money. But I was I've always been interested in passive income, dividend income kind of thing. There's several really good YouTubers who I've watched over the years make a pretty good amount of money um, from doing it. It's pretty awesome stuff, and to see that number go up every month as you invest into it's pretty awesome. But yeah, it's kind of going up the past day or so pretty well. $3 in the span of basically the late night, early morning till now. Basically, it's not doing too bad. I don't know if it's gonna continue on that uptrend. It's kind of been bouncy. So, the past week it's gone up overall. Wait, let's see how it got to as low as $40. It looks like, yeah, that is that is all over the place. But you got to have a heavy stomach. It's a good thing I'm a bit of an alcoholic. I'm used to having stomach issues. But yeah, that's oh, perfect plug. I have a link in my channel homepage. I might link it in the video. But if you feel like you want to sign up for Coinbase or Robinhood or whatever, I have a thing where it gives us a free stock, or this gives us $10 if you invest your first 100 and trade with it. I think it gives me $10, and then it definitely gives you $10 off. So that's like, you put your money in and you get an immediate 10% return. That's pretty good for a confirmed return right there. But yeah, it's basically, when I get more money and stuff like that, I'm gonna add, probably make this 10 to 15% of my stock allocation. I'm a bit more riskier, but I would still want to have mostly um, cash flowing businesses in my portfolio. So a bit traditional. I don't know. I'm not super traditional when it comes to investing, but I lean a bit more traditional. I definitely want more traditional, but I also definitely don't mind some risk at my younger age. Seeing it, I have plenty of time for it to grow. But yeah, this is just my short little first part to my Coinbase account. I have an FTX account, but I think I only have $1 in there, so it's not really worth showing. Um, but yeah, it's all the stuff I have. Oh, side note, this is just the stuff when you learn on Coinbase, they give you the little free coins. So I was like, free money, and then even though they went down quite a bit, I mean, it's free money. May as well just let it stay there. Who knows? Some of that stuff might grow up to be $10 or $20 one day, or 100. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, that's the video. Uh, another downward trend. Pro trader right here. Yeah,